vinegar, 2 funnels, 1 empty bottle, and 1 balloon. Do you think you can inflate a balloon without blowing air into it? Let's see what will happen. First, we need to put in the vinegar inside the empty bottle. Next we need to do is we need to put on the balloon into the funnel. We need to put in baking soda into the empty balloon. Now I'm done putting in the baking soda into the balloon. Now we need to take off the baking soda and the funnel from the balloon. We need to put on. Now I'm done putting on the balloon onto the empty bottle. Now I need to pour in the baking soda into the empty bottle. Now let's see what will happen. The bottle on. Oh my gosh. Mama! It's a pop! Oh my god, it works! Oh my god! Now we found out that we can inflate a balloon without blowing air into it. Because the baking soda is base and the vinegar is acid. When it's mixed together, it can produce carbon dioxide, which is a gas. Bye-bye. Oh my gosh. Bye-bye.